Introduction. Fresh water is available in ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. Nature is depositing almost 80% of rain over the sea. The rain that falls over the land has a great potential value. Unsustainable extraction of fresh water causes water scarcity. Due to over-extraction of fresh water, underground water reserves are falling rapidly. We use water for agriculture, industries, power generation, etc. All the waste water released by home, industries, hospitals, offices, and other users are collectively called sewage. Sewage is a liquid waste which has dissolved and suspended impurities, diseases causing bacteria and other microbes. These impurities are called contaminants. Organic impurities. Human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste, etc. Inorganic impurities, nitrates, phosphates, metals, etc. Bacteria and other microbes, such as those which cause cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc. Process at the wastewater treatment plant. Treatment of wastewater removes physical, chemical, biological matter that contaminates water. Wastewater is passed through bar screen. Large objects like rags, sticks, canes, plastic packets, etc. are removed by this. Water then goes to a grit and sand removal tank. The speed of the incoming wastewater is decreased to allow sand, grit and pebbles to settle down. The water is then allowed to settle in a large tank which is sloped towards in the middle. It is the sludge. A skimmer removes the floatable solids like oil and grease. Water so cleaned is called clarified water. This sludge is transferred to a separate tank where it is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. The biogas produced in the process can be used as fuel or can be used to produce electricity. Air is pumped into the clarified water to help aerobatic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume human waste, food waste, soaps and unwanted matter still remains in clarified water. After several hours, the suspended microbes settle at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge. The water is then removed from the top. Dried sludge is used as manure, returning organic manure and nutrients to the soil. The treated water has a very low level of organic material and suspended matter. Diseases caused by untreated water. If wastewater is not treated and allowed to pass into our resources, causes diseases like diarrhea, malaria, typhoid, and cholera. The treated water is discharged into the sea, a river, or into the ground. Nature cleans it up further. Thus, wastewater is treated in treatment plants. Physical, chemical, and biological processes are involved in treatment of wastewater at the treatment plants. Activity: fill a large glass jar with 3/4 water. Add some dirty organic matter such as grass pieces, orange peels, a small amount of detergent, and a few drops of any color. Use an aerator from an aquarium to bubble air through the sample in the glass jar. Aeration causes the organisms that break down waste to grow faster. This is called biological process. Place layers of sand, fine gravels, and finally medium gravel in the funnel. These are several meters deep in the plant. Pour the aerated liquid through the filter. If the filtered liquid is not clear, filter it few times till you get clear water. This is physical process. Add a small piece of chlorine tablet. Mix well until the water is clear. This is a chemical process. Other ways of disposing sewage. We dispose wastewater in our daily life in different ways and means. We need a proper drainage system. Different types of drainage systems are open, closed, underground ones, and septic tanks. Conservation of water. We can conserve water by adopting certain good practices. Availability of water even for drinking purpose is also difficult, as all open wells and bore wells used to dry up in summer season. Water must be conserved by individual effort as well as through efforts made by the community. The Vana Samrakshita Samiti members have constructed several check and rock-filled dams to conserve water.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.